You are beautiful. You are perfect, just the way you are.
Back, front, back, front. So low behind to the front, high behind to the front. Hip reel to the front, pinwheel to the front. And here's what it would look like from behind. Hip reel, butterfly, pinwheel, butterfly. Hip reel, butterfly, pinwheel, butterfly. Back, front, high back, front, low back, front, high back, front. Push down in front, push down and back, 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 push down, 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 push down. So it doesn't matter where you are. Remember, you push down first before you flip it to the other side. Push down, push down, push down, push down. Front, back, 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 front, back. 5, 6, 7, and low, front, high, front, 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 low, front, high, front. Let's do the right hand. And it'll start in the front. So 5, 6, 7, and front, low, front, high, 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 front, low, front, high. Let's do the left hand again. And 5, 6, 7, and low, front, high, front, 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 low, front, high, front. Last one, front, high, front. And it's 1 count in each position. So if you look at me, do it while you're looking at the picture. This is position 1. Your left is back here and your right is in the front, right? And then the next thing that happens is you switch. So your right goes to the bottom in the back and the left comes to the front. Then the next thing that happens is the left goes up and behind while the right one comes to the front. Then the left one comes back to the front while the right one goes up and behind, and then you repeat the whole thing from the top. So the left goes low behind and the right comes to the front. The right goes low behind and the left comes to the front. The left is going to go high behind while the right comes to the front, and the right will go high to the front or high behind while the left goes to the front. And once again, you start again. Bum, 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 bum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could do it in same or split or whatever timing you can do it in. So this is what it looks like from the front. And you can do it, like I said, you could either do it in same time, or I'm pretty sure I'm doing it in split time right now. Position, we'll put the left behind, the right's in front. Then we switch them both. That's position 2. Now bring the left one up and go behind while the right one comes to the front. That's 3. And then bring the right one up while the left one comes back to the front. So you switch them again. So the left goes low behind and the right comes to the front. The right is going to go, so switch them really, left to front, right, low, back. Then left goes up and the right comes to the front. So you more or less switch them, just bringing the left one up and then switch them again. So switch, but left goes low and then switch again. Switch, left goes high and switch again. Now that you've seen what to do, okay, I'll mirror you. You're going to lead with your left hand going back. So this will be position 1. Left goes low behind. Okay, remember to do the figure 8. Remember to push down when it goes back behind. Push down. Now switch them both. You're still pushing down. I'll bring their left one up and behind and pull down, pull down, pull down with your left, pull down with your left, and then switch again. Whew. Okay, and come back to butterfly. Technically, you did one. Yes, that's it. Another way to think about it is, I'm hip reeling, I'm pinwheeling. I'm hip reeling, I'm pinwheeling. I'm low, I'm high. I'm low, I'm high. And the thing is, when you're in the front position, you're kind of coming through the middle of your torso. So this is low, but this is middle, but this is high, but this is middle, right? So low, middle, high, middle, low, middle, high, middle, low, middle, high, middle. And you're sliding your hands up and down, up and down, up and down.